Welcome to Dipansh Video Time. Do you want to make a 2D effect? Well, this tutorial is not about 2D. It is about 2.5D, as you can see it in the title, of course. This is very fun to make because we are going to be making a simple level which will be 2.5D, and then we'll make it scroll for more exciting. Okay, so first we'll need a dot and then a level, then duplicate this and then make a hitbox, for example. Okay, now one thing, why do we need a dot? Because there's not going to be a dot shown on our level, right? Well, this is because of the sizing limit. Well, there's a cloning limit and now there's a sizing limit. Wow. So, the sizing limit is not like 100 or 300 or 1000 or yeah, any number. It's not a specific number. The sizing limit depends on how many pixels the sprite is. So, do you understand that? That's why we need the dot, because as the dot is small, it will allow us to make it more bigger, and then we can make our level bigger and bigger. You understand that? Good. So let's get started. First, let's code the whole of the level sprite. Then we'll start coding the whole of the hitbox sprite. When green flag clicked, first we will hide. Then we will switch costume to our dot, set size to 900%. Then we will set brightness effect to 50. Then we will put a repeat 50 times. We will first create clone of myself. Then we will change brightness effect by, so let's put a change brightness effect by -1. And then we can change size, so put a change size by 15. So 50. And then after that, let's add when I start with a clone block, switch costume to level, and then we can first show and then switch costume to level. And wow, that really looks nice. Now let's add a forever with a set x2. So let's go to motion and set x2. Now this will get a little bit complicated. So here's what we are going to do. Let's take out the divide operator. Then on the left side, let's put x of hitbox. So set x2, x position of hitbox divided by, let's add another divided by on the right side. So set x2, x of hitbox divided by size divided by 750. Then we can set our y2 the same thing. So set y2, the y position of hitbox divided by 750. Okay, so this is done. Now let's duplicate all of the code, so only the when green flag code to the hitbox, and just do a little bit of changes. Take out the repeat 50, and then on the top we can set ghost effect. So on the top we can set our brightness effect to 100. And then we can show switch costume to dot. Then we can switch costume to level. So we can also hide that sign. Okay, so that's good. So set brightness effect to 100. Hide, switch costume to dot. Set size to 900% and switch costume to level. Then we'll forever put 4 if blocks. For the up, down, left and right arrow key presses. Now, do you remember the code we did for our scrolling platformer? Right? Then we'll try to change it to the left and then from the left to right. Do the same thing, opposites. So for the up arrow, change y by -5. Then you know it. Down arrow 5. Then for the left arrow 5. So left arrow 5. And then for the right arrow -5. Let's see this in action. Okay. So let's not go to full screen and then let's see the project page. And oh my god, look at what we made. It really looks to a whole new era, right? So, wow, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial of how we can make a 2.5D effect. Please like and subscribe my channel. Until next time, Dipansh Video Time is out. So first, let me just show you until what we made. Wow, this is nice. So till next time.